Hello everyone, this is Mr. B from Simple Trade, and today on our spotlight is a ticker by the name MJWL. So let's see what happened here on the last day of April and what caused this huge volume. If we go to Twitter, we can see that Magic Corporation opened a new Twitter account on April 30, on the same very day. And if we go to the news tab here, on OTCMarkets, we can see that MJWL announced today that it has new management and intends to file with the OTCMarkets to become OTC Pink Current. So this is basically what caused this huge volume. And on the next 3 weeks followed, people accumulated quite nicely here, and the company kept updating the shareholders about its intents and the new business model. And on May 21st, 3 weeks later, again, huge volume, 3 days in a row, and a big spike in the price. So let's see what happened on May 21st. We can see that May 21st, OTCMarkets, the company said that MJWL, the company, is pleased to announce today that it has executed a binding letter of intent to acquire a $150 million revenue-producing cryptocurrency exchange and custody service platform, CGCX. These are great news, and that's what caused this spike in volume. So if you got in on the very first day when the news came in and held the shares till now, you could have made more than 63 times on your initial investment. Or you could have loaded some shares during these 3 weeks right here. And even if you bought some shares on the first day when the news about acquisition came in and held till now, you still could have made more than 7 times on your initial investment. So if you like the video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, and of course join us at our Discord trading community. So see you next time.